Right, our Stuart, it's arrived. Bowman M140. First one I've ever seen. Other than John in Portugal's 2 on YouTube. First one in the flesh. Look at that. Straight out of the box. Covered in crud. Quite stiff to turn over, so I didn't bother trying to test it, so I spent an hour stripping it all down. Cleaned it all off. White spirit. Free as anything now, so oh dear. Look at that. And that'll turn the wheel. 5 psi that is. Oh, you've got the camera. The only issue it really had was the safety valve. The spring had turned to rust and welded itself to the brass shaft. Took some getting off and cleaning up. Bit of the new spring. Polished it all up inside obviously. And reset it. Don't let dry now. Very powerful engine. See that? That's my finger. Ow. Couldn't even stop it. Trying to stop it, look. Ooh. Very, very strong. What impressed with that power. You wish you bought this now, Stuart, don't you? It's a pretty good nick, really. I'm itching to do it all up and repaint it. I must be turning into a Riddick counter because be thinking about leaving it just like the old M167 there. We'll see. Beautiful runner. Anyway, that'll do. I think you get the gist. Thank you.